Take a microwave-safe bowl. Add oil and onions. Microwave open for 3 minutes. Chop ginger and chilies, grate garlic. Add chilies, ginger and garlic. Add ginger-garlic paste and mix. Microwave open for 3 minutes. While mix is cooking, dice tomatoes. Add tomatoes to mix. Then add chole masala, chili powder. Mix and microwave for 3 minutes. While mix is cooking, open bean cans. Drain and rinse. Add methi and beans to mix. Mix, then microwave for 3 minutes. Chaat masala. Add water and mix. Partially cover and microwave for 5 minutes. After microwave is done, garnish with chopped cilantro. The dish is ready to serve, and you have no pots and pans to scrub. Cook times depend on the wattage of the microwave. Click on the More link in the description of this video for the recipe.